everything is fine. Aww.
Nah, baby, what's up now?
Baby, I'm fine. Welcome there. Good evening.
What are we having for dinner?
I don't understand. You've come again. You could not even ask me, baby, how are you doing? Have you eaten? Where did you go to? What have you bought? Nothing. Food. Can we must always eat in the house? Can't we eat outside for once? I bet because leave me alone, Joe. I was watching something before you came. Yes, yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay.
So, baby, why are the dishes in the kitchen not washed?
Baby, not again. What is it now? You're always disturbing me. Do this one, do that one, eat, do this one. Wait, what is it? Yesterday was what are we eating for dinner? Today night is dishes again. What is all this one? What's I have peace in my husband's house again for heaven's sake? Hey, I don't have good clothes. I don't have good clothes. I don't have. I don't know what I'm even carrying. You can't even take care of me. You are only do this one, do that one, do that. What is it now? You leave me alone. I don't understand you. What is it? Will I die when I married you? Would I die?
Can you shut up? Shut up! I said shut up! What's your problem with this house? All the guys shouting! No, what is it? No, what is all this? My father didn't die because of a woman. What's all this? Jeez! See, in short, see, before I come back from where I'm going to, if I see you in this house, if I ever see you in this house again, I'll use you for dinner.
Oh my God. I've never seen my husband like this before. I need to call my uncle. God, I don't want to leave my husband's house. Oh. Hello, uncle. See, me, I don't understand again. No, because me, I don't know what's going on again now. My husband's asking me to leave his house. Me, I'm tired for heaven's sake. I don't understand. Oh, I don't even. Come. I need your help now. Uncle, I'm not shouting. I'm only talking. I'm not shouting. Uncle, where is that? Hey, I'm coming now. Before you drop the car, I'm already there. Okay, I'm coming.
Baba, I come meet you. I bring my sister here and I show you this. The husband, the one driver have. Baba, do something. I don't know you for years. Baba, do something.
Young lady.
Papa.
What do you want?
Mommy, I want everything because my husband is getting me fed up. He do this one, do that one, come and cook, wash plates. I will go out, he will complain. I will sleep, he will complain. I will talk, he will complain. He will not allow me to have peace in my house. Do. Hey, you do that for me. Food, you do that for me. Food, you do that for me. He will not allow me to rest in my house. I don't know if it's the kind I got married to him. I'm tired. I'm tired though. I'm tired. I'm not asking me to leave his house. I'm tired. Me, I'm tired.
Your problem is VP. Village people. No be omori egba you do rekpero baby so caliber. No we gbe do ala. Your problem is VP. Village people. Oh. Baby so caliber. No we gbe do ala. Coco yo. This is Otatikolo. When you get home, lick it 7 times. And when your husband comes, anything he says, don't reply him. Use the code word, yes sir, and I repeat, when your husband speaks, don't reply him. Use the code word, yes sir, and
Okay, Baba.
With this, your village people will run and leave your marriage for you.
Okay, Baba. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba.
You can go, my daughter.
All right, thank you, Baba.
You will testify.
All right, Baba. Thank you, Baba.
You will testify. So why are you just coming back this time?
I'm sorry, sir.
Is my dinner ready? How about the clothes? The dishes? Why are you putting on my kuban?
I'm sorry, sir.
Hey, baby. I'm sorry for shouting at you. I'm really sorry. Okay? I really don't like you shouting. Come on. Okay? Come on, baby. Okay, you know what? You're not going anywhere anymore, right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm buying you Venza 2014.
Yes, thank you very much, baby. You know I love you.
Give me a kiss again on my neck.
You know I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Thank you.
Stop shouting. I'll be okay.
Baba, thank you very much. Baba, it works. My husband now, he promised to buy me a car. He pets me to buy me a hair. Oh, Baba, thank you very much.
Shut up! I did not give you any sham. What I gave to you, is glucose. It is glucose I gave to you, not sham. Your problem is not village people. Your problem is your mouth. You talk too much. Even when you were talking, here they pay my juju. You dey pour spit for the ghost eye. You want deaf the ghost. Your problem is your mouth, not village people. If you can reduce the way you talk, your home will be blessed. There's no charm to stay in marriage. What you need to stay in marriage is submissiveness. Go and control your mouth. I did not give you any sham, my sister. Have you ever seen sham that they say, yes, sir, I did this so you reduce your... Even in shrine, you are threatening the gods with your... Go and respect your husband. Idiot.